Adding a portfolio to your Fiverr profile can help showcase your work and attract potential clients. Here's how to add the portfolio to Fiverr in a few simple steps. Log into your Fiverr account. Start by logging into your Fiverr account using your credentials. Navigate to Gigs. Click on your profile icon at the top right of the Fiverr dashboard, and from the drop-down menu, select My Gigs. This will take you to a page where all your current gigs are listed. Edit a gig. Select the gig you want to showcase your portfolio in by clicking on the Edit button next to that gig. Add portfolio samples. In the gig editing page, scroll down to the gallery section. Here you can upload images, PDFs or videos of your previous work. Click the Add Image or Add Video button and select the files you want to upload from your device. Ensure these files represent your skills and expertise well. Save changes. Once your portfolio samples are uploaded, review the information and then click Save at the bottom of the page to apply the changes. Showcase your work. After saving, your portfolio samples will be visible on your gig page, helping you attract clients by showcasing your best work.